Thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a beautiful satellite fascinator yourself, like how to tie it yourself without maybe you have a leftover and you need to tie something with it. You need a fascinator and you've not made one. So here is a simple way to tie your fascinator. Very simple and easy. Just tie it and then you are ready to go. So please, if you are stopping by for the first time, kindly subscribe and visit here every week for easy head wrap tutorial you can do for yourself. Like sometimes you just need it fast. You can just come here and watch an easy self-made head wrap. Thank you. Please share, like and comment and invite others to subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.